In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Slack. By the end, you'll be confidently logged in and ready to start collaborating. First, open your preferred web browser and go to slack.com, sign in. This is the official sign-in page for Slack on the web. If you've used Slack before, the page may recognize your browser and show you recently used workspaces. If it's your first time or you're on a new device, you'll see a clean sign-in screen. Make sure you're on the correct site and that your connection is secure before proceeding. Next, enter the email address that's associated with your Slack account or your workplace. Using the correct email matters because Slack looks up any workspaces connected to that address. If you're joining for the first time, you'll typically need an invitation to that email before you can access your workspace. It helps to have your inbox open in another tab so you can quickly handle any verification messages that arrive. If you're not sure which email you used, try your work email first, as most Slack workspaces are tied to it. After you enter your email, follow the prompts to authenticate. The exact steps can vary a little based on how your organization has set things up. In many cases, Slack will send a one-time sign-in link or a short code to your email. Open that message, click the link, or enter the code back on the sign-in page to continue. If your company uses single sign-on, you may be redirected to sign in through your organization's identity provider. Just continue with the familiar login you use for your other work apps and complete any multi-factor authentication if it's required. In some setups, you might also see options like Continue with Google or a password field. Choose the method your workspace supports and proceed. Once authentication is complete, Slack will display any workspaces linked to your email. Select the one you want to use, and you'll land in your workspace with your channels and messages. If you belong to more than one workspace, you can repeat this flow to add them, and then switch between them as needed. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If everything worked, consider bookmarking your workspace so you can return in one click. On a trusted personal device, you can stay signed in to save time. On shared or public computers, always sign out when you're done. If you don't receive a verification email within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder and request a new link. And if you still can't get in, reach out to your workspace administrator for help. That's it, simple and secure. You're now signed into Slack and ready to get to work.